Hello guys, welcome to another video again. Are you ready to embark on the exciting journey of creating your own very online course? Before you begin, there are some key questions you need to ask yourself to ensure success. And in this video, we will explore the essential questions every online course creator should consider before getting started. The first question is there a need? Before asking yourself how to market an online course, the first thing you need to establish is whether or not this particular class already has a need. In other words, do some market research before creating your online course. Use tools like Answer the Public to see what people are searching for around your area of expertise and base your courses around them. So you can use this website, answerthepublic.com. Here you just enter the topic and you choose the country. You can choose India or whatever country that you are. Then search on Google what people are typing, discover what people are asking about. You can search on Google, you can search on YouTube, on Amazon, on Bing. So this is how you get to know what people are talking about. The second question is, who is your ID student? Creating a student persona, which is your target audience early on, will save you future headaches as you will be attracting the right people. So you need to ask yourself, who is your ID student? Your ID student is your target audience. Who is your course going to focus on? If you want to teach cybersecurity, who is your ID student? If you want to create course on website development, who is your ID student? So this is another question you still need to ask yourself. Now, what is your price point? This is a factor that too many online course creators leave as an afterthought. They build their product and then determine its value. While you don't need to think about the exact cost of your course, you should have a rough idea of what the price tag would be. Or at the very least, you should determine if this would be a high ticket course which is over $1,000 or a low ticket course which is under $1,000. Lot of course creators either drastically undervalue or overvalue the worth of their online courses. So spending a little time getting the pricing right is key. Ask yourself, at what price do you want to sell your online course? The fourth question is, how will you present your course? You should determine how you are going to get your knowledge to your students in a way that they will retain the information. A lot of that has to do with your personality and teaching style. Will it be mostly video based or text based? What platform will you use? Your website or an educational platform like Udemy or Skillshare? Will you be showing your face in your course or you want to do a faceless course? So this is the question that you need to answer. How will you present your course? Your budget is an obvious concern. If you are creating an online course and working with almost no money, then you need to get creative. This will also impact the platform you use to deliver your content. Since I am someone who does not like showing my face, all my courses are faceless. So you need to ask yourself, will you want to do a video-based course or you want to do a text-based course? How will you present your course? The fifth question is, do I have the time to create a course? Of a truth, course creation does take time, and we need to have time to create the course as well as sell the course. So it is a really important question to know the answer to this. You can also, of course, outsource the creation of course materials. You can hire writers who can adapt your voice and write the course material from your voice note or other existing content. I once rendered this service to one of my students. I did everything apart from voice recording. She wasn't good at all the other things and she was busy with other things also. She paid me to come up with course title because she could not even conduct research. So I did the course title, course outline, the script, and I also edited her videos too. I'm happy the course is selling and she's happy with the results. We're about working on our second course before something personal happened that we had to pause. But even then, reviewing your course and correcting some mistakes will still take your time. So, do you have the time for this? So, there you have it for this video. I just shared with you 5 questions every course creator must answer. The first one I said, is there a need? Do your course have a need? Is that course in high demand in any platform? Is that course in high demand? And if you want to know if that course is trending or is in high demand, you can use the website called answerthepublic.com to do that. If you want to upload your course on Udemy or Skillshare, You can use their own analytic tool to discover that. Question 2, I said, who is your ID student? Every course have an ID student. So who is your target audience and who is your ID student? And question 3, I said, what is your price point? How much do you want to sell your course? Question 4, I said, how will you present your course? Do you want to do video course or you want to do text-based course? Will you be showing your face or you want to make it faceless? So this is a question that you also need to provide answer to. And lastly, I said, do you have the time to create a course? Providing answer to these 5 questions will really go a long way for you in the journey as a course creator. If you found value from this video, please hit the like button as it means a lot to me. Subscribe to this channel if this is your first time because I have great videos coming up soon for you. If you are interested in becoming a course creator on Udemy, then you will need to check out this video displaying on the screen right now to know the courses that will make you money on Udemy. See you there.